Okay. Well, guys, so this is a really good discussion in terms of shutdown requirement to prevent the escalation of construction schedule. For CMOPs, yes, we are going to review the CMOP study after constructability, and we will identify all restricted, allowed, and prohibited items. This has to be again revisited during the EPC phase. So I will put here review all CMOPs activity during EPC stage, restrictions and prohibition. So this should be covered in the EPC scope work. So this will be done by FIP to update the EPC for EPC work. That's okay.
Correct.
Yeah. Commissioning and handover.
Vendors.
I mean here now I'm. See, Sudeep, no need to worry. You have to simply update your scope of work. And
no, I'm not worrying, sir. I'm not worrying.
Yeah,
it's okay.
So as we agreed last time, somebody was saying that EPC contract scope of work is already prepared. If it is prepared, then you have to update the EPC scope of work so
not
that EPC contractor can
not
take care.
Prepared, sir. Not
then
prepared. Yeah.
You have to add this sentence.
Even if prepared, we will update this with this information.
Yeah, okay. Sure. Yeah. Commissioning and handover. See, commissioning and handover is very important because there are many, I mean, scopes are there for automation. Yes. And these all automations are related to vendor. So probably vendor commissioning procedure will be utilized, and ad hoc PSSR system will be utilized to ensure that there is no concern related to HSC point of view. Yeah. Okay. And this point I will still keep it because this point was highlighted by Rakesh also, that lesson learned from the CRP will be.
Yeah, that was, I believe, for the package 2 you kept it, but instead of CRP you mentioned lesson learned of past project.
Lesson from past project, okay.
Yeah, ad hoc past project.
Ad hoc past project.